Memories linger, shadows of the past, old wounds hidden, they never seem to last. Family ties and weight they bear, a lifetime of patterns I'm ready to repair. I've been holding on too long, but now I see where I belong. Breaking the chains, I let them fall, tearing down the walls that built it all, rebuilding my world from the ground up, a stronger foundation, no turning back. Breaking the chains, I find my way, I'll rise above, starting today. The house I built is shaking now. The past is fading, but I don't know how. Family struggles, relationships